Hello guys, so this is my first time to cook lentil soup. So I cook this in a crock pot slow cooker in 3 hours.
What was that?
No, that's me. Oh, by the way, this is my first time to cook lentil soup. So that's what I did. Anyway, so I just put this in a high and then just wait for 3 hours. So all the herbs that I put is paprika, salt, pepper, cumin, and two chicken cubes. So it turns good. It's able to eat. It's edible to eat. Yeah. So that's why they called lentil soup. You can eat also without the soup. You can drain it and put butter. So that's it. Bye.